Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I shall give you a proof of a fact for which the people remain normally confused that how it is possible. It is possible that if any number is divided by 0, the resultant is infinity. People agree with this that if any number is divided by 0, the result is infinity, but they cannot present any proof. Okay, I shall present you a proof for this fact today. The number may be 100,000 million billion. When it is divided by 0, the result is infinity. What is infinity? Infinity is such a big figure that we cannot interpret it in words, and neither you can put on it paper. It is so big number that you cannot imagine it. Okay, we start and come to proof. We shall prove it in steps. First of all, we take one by one. It is 1. We take the numerator same and decrease the denominator, which decreasing to 0 in 0.0001 in 1 10 raised to power 4. In next step, when 1 is divided by 0.000001, we get mean 10 की power 6. When 1 is divided by 0. You look here, the numerator is same. We have taken 1 here for easiness. You may take any number at your end, no problem. But I, for easiness and for your better understanding, I take it 1. And go on decreasing the denominator from 1.01. We are going near to 0. Because we are to prove here that any number is divided by 0. So we gradually decrease this 1 and go to almost 0 in some next steps. Okay. And you are looking that the result is continuously increasing. 1 divided by 0. 10 raised to power 10 if 1 is divided by this figure. 7 step is if 1 is divided by this small number, then we get 10 to power 15. This is a big figure, 1 with 15 zeros. So we decrease it more. Okay, we divided 1 by this number, then got 10 raised to power 20. It is big figure from the previous. And this number is reduced to this, mean more reduction in denominator. So the ninth figure in the ninth step, we write when 1 is divided by this so small figure, we get 10 raised to power 25. If we go on decreasing it more, then we shall get more and more figure, I mean 10 raised to power 30, 10 raised to power 50, 10 raised to power 100. Then there is no man can interpret it 10 raised to power 100 in words, or cannot put on paper such a big figure. He may write on in this form, but cannot interpret in million billions. Okay. Therefore, what is this number almost? This is almost 0. We can write 1 over 0, and this figure will become so big that we can say it, we can name it infinity. Because we cannot interpret it, we cannot put on the paper, we cannot interpret in words also. Therefore, 1 by 0 or any number, when it is divided by 0, becomes infinity. So this is the proof of this fact, that when any number is divided by 0, the result is infinity. So we have reached to the result that any number, it may be 1, 10, 100, 1000, million, billion, when it is divided by 0, the resultant is infinity. I think you have understand it now, and there will be no confusion to you and your friends when you will tell this proof to them, and you have become yourself able to prove it with any other number divided by 0. We gradually become decreased the denominator to 0 and got the result infinity.